everyone, it's Kaya here, your Aloha Nation travel buddy. Whether you're sipping your morning Kona or dreaming of sunset Mai Tais, get ready because Hawaii's travel scene is about to get a major makeover in 2025. I've uncovered some new updates that every savvy traveler should be on top of before traveling to Hawaii this year. So kick off those slippers and grab your travel journal, because what I'm about to share will have you rethinking your entire island strategy. Let's dive into paradise together. Remember that big buzz about Alaska Airlines acquiring Hawaiian Airlines? Well, the dust has settled, and things just got interesting. Hawaiian will keep its brand, but behind the scenes, they're essentially one big happy airline family. Think of it as different cousins who still keep their own style but share the same bank account. For you, dear traveler, this means shared frequent flyer miles, more mileage flexibility with a one-to-one transfer between the two airlines, broader flight options. Soon you'll be able to book Hawaiian flights on Alaska's site and vice versa. Meanwhile, Southwest is doing the opposite of a family reunion, cutting inter-island flights up to 30% in 2025. Fewer seats can mean higher prices and tighter schedules. So if your perfect itinerary involves island hopping, plan those flights early. Or consider traveling during off-peak days if your schedule's flexible. It could save you some big bucks, or at least enough to buy an extra plate of Loco Moco. And speaking of expansions, keep your eyes peeled for routes sporting the new Airbus A321XLR. This plane's super fuel efficiency can unlock destinations that used to be off the table. More direct flights equals fewer layovers equals more beach time. Sign me up! Maui's 2023 wildfire season was absolutely brutal, and Lahaina took a big hit. A lot of spots are still in repair mode, but some restaurants just north of the primary burn zone are open. They've got good food, lively happy hours, and enough aloha spirit to go around. My tip? Whalers Village in Kaanapali is packed these days. Everyone's crowding where they can. If you hate elbow-to-elbow crowds, consider venturing slightly north of Old Lahaina, away from the hectic tourist squares, and you'll find some yummy gems, and the price is right. They might not be fancy or widely advertised, but trust me, your taste buds and your Instagram feed will thank you later. Maui is a resilient island. It's not fully rebuilt, but there's a sense of ohana and optimism you can feel wherever you go. Raise your hand if you've ever tried to send an urgent email mid-flight and were greeted with a spinning wheel of doom. 2025 says bye-bye to that. Hawaiian Airlines has rolled out Starlink Wi-Fi on its Airbus fleet, and it's free. Meanwhile, United is stepping up with high-speed internet that, in some cases, also comes at no extra charge. Translation: you can finally stream that island-themed rom-com or meticulously plan the rest of your trip while flying over the Pacific. Before you book, check if your airline and specific route offer these beefed-up Wi-Fi upgrades. It can seriously make a 5-hour flight feel like an extended Netflix break, or a mini productivity zone if you're that type A traveler. Hey, no one's judging. Okay, let's talk about protecting your wallet. Hawaii legislators are working on something called a green fee, basically a climate impact charge that could land on visitors by 2025. The idea? Conserve and protect the environment. The concern? More money out of your vacation fund. And that's on top of those resort fees that seem to keep ballooning every time you blink. You know, the ones that label themselves amenities, yet include stuff like Wi-Fi and pool towels. Seriously? Add occupancy tax and a daily $50 parking fee, and suddenly, your $300 per night room is more like $400 plus. Travel tip: consider booking via timeshare accommodations. In many cases, you'll mostly deal with a daily occupancy tax that's often in the ballpark of $20 to $30 per night. Only a fraction compared to the combo of resort fees and amenity taxes you'll find, even if you book the exact same vacation unit on the hotel's website. If you're traveling with a family or longer term, it can be a solid alternative that spares you some sticker shock. Lastly, 2025 will see Japan and Canada returning in bigger numbers. Here's a headline grabber. ANA is doubling up its A380 flights from Tokyo to Honolulu. If you live in Asia, that might mean more flight availability and, cross your fingers, some competitive fare action. If you've ever wanted to try that giant flying Honu, this could be your year. And let's not forget, Japanese visitors bring a vibrant cultural exchange to the islands and yummy goodies in suitcase form if you make new friends on the flight. Good vibes all around. So there you have it, guys. Hawaii in 2025 is all about new airline combos shaking up the flight scene, Maui's rebuilding spirit, lightning-fast Wi-Fi in the sky, evolving green fees, and a nice flow of international visitors who are making the islands livelier than ever. If you found anything in this video useful, it would be super awesome if you can give this video a thumbs up, share it with your travel buddy, and subscribe for more Aloha Nation adventures. Do you have any Hawaii travel updates or stories to share? I would love to hear them, so please drop them in the comments below. Till next time, Kaya signing off with Aloha. Let's keep spreading the island spirit, one trip at a time.